of us lives in an ecosystem formed by different organisms belonging to a specific food chain and specific types of habitat. There are different types of ecosystem. There are ocean, estuaries, rivers, lakes, streams, wetlands, and land. We choose land ecosystem or terrestrial ecosystem. This means to all the living organisms and their physical environment, particular piece of land. This means that it's all interaction that can exist in the land between different organisms. To give a better idea what is ecosystem, the ecosystem includes all of the living things like plants, animals, or organisms in a given area to interaction with each other. The other word is biome. What is a biome? Biome is a set of ecosystem characterized by composition of species and biological types of plants. The way in which my career relates to this topic is through the food chain and the flow of energy. My career that I choose is health coach. This means that the food chain have three levels. First level like plants, sweet wets, and something like that. And herbivores that can be a rabbit, a little parrot. The third level that is carnivorous that can be an eagle that can eat a rabbit or a cat like also it's a little parrot. So in every ecosystem going to exist this food chain with these three levels. This means that the rabbit that eat grass is a consumer, equal to the eagle that consume rabbit is a consumer. This means that the eagle if it's the rabbit only going to get the 10% of this energy, all equal to the humans. If I eat a salad, I'm only going to get the 10% of energy of it. This is the way my career relates to the ecosystem.
I'm going to explain what is a biotic and abiotic component in the terrestrial ecosystem. The biotic component is every living thing that interact with each other in these ecosystems, such as dogs, insects, birds, or mice. And the abiotic components are those that are non-living things, such as grass, wind, water, or rocks. Important thing is the way that biotic components interact with each other and how they constitute the trophic chain. Trophic chain is the way that biotic components can take energy from another biotic component while they are feeding themselves. It means that every time that a biotic component eats another biotic component, they will get the energy that they need for their organism. My friend Agus is going to explain now the trophic levels.
I'm going to explain about like the trophic web, or in this case like a pyramid of different levels that an ecosystems have. For example, the first level is for the plants, farms, and something like that. The second level are like the animals that eat the plants. For example, it can be the rabbits, it can be like in some cases the birds and something like that. In the level 3 we have like more, we have the predator in this case. For example, if a bear eat the rabbit, the bear is in the third level, and so on and so on. The fourth level and the fifth level are from the big animals that eat the 4 level 3, and so on and so on. For example, in this case, animals that are in the level 5 are the biggest one that eat the animals that are in the level 4. The level 4 eat the animals that are in the level 3. The 3 for the 2, and the 2 are eating the plants or the worms that are in this ecosystem we have here. For example, in this case is like space, we have a worm and a bear come and eat them, and then an eagle eat the bear. This is like the trophic web.
I'm going to talk about the cycle of the biogeochemicals. That means that it's a movement where it is related all the environment, such as oxygen, nitrogen, between all of those, with all the living things. For example, here in Parque Central, we can have all the trees and the lakes, and it can all be related with the birds and the fish. They can live in an equilibrated ecosystem. Another topic that it took me to explain is the generation of the nutrients, which means that is a movement between organic matter and inorganic matter, and it will be developing, creating a new living form. For example, imagine that, well, we have our grass, we have our garden, so we need to add some fertilizer, and with that fertilizer, and furthermore, on a period of time, there's going to grow maybe trees, maybe new plants, maybe flowers. That will be an example.
I can relate my career-related program with ecosystems. It can be that there are some social organizations that have different web pages in Facebook or Instagram that can interact with other people while they are asking for money to conservation of the environmental ecosystems.
Well, and how I can relate my career program can be, for example, in this park we have, well, in this ecosystem we have like this, and it can be the creation of this, it can be the creation of different types of machines to conserve our ecosystem and create new opportunities to give more life to the ecosystem.
The park is related to my career-related program because they are here in Lomas de Angelopolis. They are organizing some amusement parks that they can make people to come and have fun. The clients are really aware of buying food, going to the games, or even buying clothes. And with that money, after those days, after the amusement park has been over, they use the money to maybe develop some new things to help the park. For example, food for the animals or fertilizers for the plants, or even new bombs or machines for the waters.